Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel, which is called Anxious Monk. And yes, our today's topic is analysis. Okay, so you might ask, hey Pratik, what is technical analysis? We're very afraid of all these terms, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Okay, hold back. And you must have seen these kind of charts, graphs. People post them on Instagram stories, YouTube videos, and we feel okay, these guys are really intelligent. I cannot do trading. This is all some secret people are doing. Okay, hold on. Let me tell you guys, this is not some rocket science. Okay, this is called technical analysis. Okay, so let me take you back. We have majorly two kind of analysis which investors and traders use on a daily basis. One is fundamental analysis, the next is technical analysis. Okay, so you might say, hey Pratik, we all know these terms, but what is the difference? So let me tell you an example, very layman example. Suppose you want to buy a car. Now you have two options. The first option is you will go to the showrooms. You have some parameters in your mind. Let's say price range, like you want a car from 5 to 15 lakhs, right? That is one parameter. The next parameter is what kind of engine size you want. XXCC, right? You have that number in mind. The next thing is, do you want alloy wheels or steel wheels, right? That is one thing. Then the aesthetics, how the aesthetics you want, right? The next thing will be that you will test drive all the vehicles and you will take the feel yourself, and then you will decide which one to buy. That is one option. The next option is you will buy that car which most people are buying. Okay, what is the mindset behind this second option? That you are assuming that the car which is bought by a lot of people would be nice, right? The looks will be nice. The if so many people are taking it, that car will be nice. Okay, that is the second mindset. So the first option is very similar to the fundamental analysis of stock, and the second option is very similar to the technical analysis of the stock. Okay, in fundamental analysis, we have some parameters and we have to go through these parameters. What are these parameters? I'll talk broadly ahead. And the second aspect is what stocks people are buying crazily will go behind that. Okay, but this is a very narrow view of technical analysis. Technical analysis is very huge. Okay, so let me tell you what is fundamental analysis. So what parameters we look into fundamental analysis? So in fundamental analysis, you will see P ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield. Then you'll see sector PE, sector PB. In layman language, you will see if the company is doing good, how much loan they have or debt they have, how much promoter holding is there, right? So you gotta see all these things. Now there are a lot of things in fundamental analysis. I don't want to get into finance, but yeah, you can see here income, like what profit, how profit the company is doing, what is the profit after tax, right? So basically you want to see how good the numbers are, how good the company is on paper, right? Now let's get back to technical analysis. When you're doing technical analysis is short term. Let's say for a month, you won't go beyond that when you're doing technical analysis, because technical analysis, you get entry points and exit points using these kind of graphs and charts and various indicators. Okay, so I'll tell you in some other videos what is this, why, what is this red, green, what is this line, what is this line, what are these points. So yeah, basically traders and investors, what they do is they have some trade setups. Now if a stock comes into that trade setup, and it is a good entry point, the buyer will take that point, right? And similarly, we have exit points also using trade setups. Now, let's say, for example, this is 200 moving average, 200 days moving average. Now, I am bullish on Kotak Mahindra, but this might be a strong resistance for Kotak Mahindra, right? And you can see today on 8th of August, the high made by Kotak Bank is below the 200 moving average, right? So this can be a strong resistance. If this is broken by Kotak Mahindra, then it can go bullish. Okay, so this is one example I've given. And remember, this is not a buy or sell advice. Okay, I'm just doing this for education purpose. So yeah, I hope you understood what is fundamental analysis, what is technical analysis, and I'll explain briefly about this because I see there are a lot of courses which are taking a lot of money to teach all these things. But I feel uh, people in India are smart enough if I teach them here, or I just want to impart knowledge, right? So whatever I'm doing, I'll do it for free. I'm not going to make courses of 5,000 or 10,000 or 15,000 or anything. I'm just going to give this knowledge for free. So yeah, stay tuned for fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and most importantly, quantitative analysis. Okay, see you guys. Thank you.